The technical success of these self-builders is a real achievement, and socially, the scheme feels very progressive. However, I do have reservations about the architecture.
Oh, they've gone.
What?
His hiccups.
Is it?
Chris Handy, why these houses
No.
look so like Brookside Close. Walking down the street, these houses really don't look that different from those that put up their back.
Tight butcher.
I was going to say, architecturally, that interesting. Nor are they particularly innovative in terms of their
Oh.
environmental friendliness. Green, their conventional brick-built houses.
I don't want social housing to look as though it's
What are you doing, Neil?
Cleaning the fish.